Hi, I'm Alicia from the blog HomesteadHomestead.com. Just hours from now, the weatherman is predicting 12 to 18 inches of snow on top of the rain, soon to be ice, that we already got. Snow might look pretty for some, but around here it makes for a lot more work. There's no such thing as a snow day for homesteaders or farmers. It's pretty calm outside right now, just a light rain melting the snow on the ground. But this afternoon we are supposed to get quite the storm. 1 foot to 1.5 feet of snow in less than a 36-hour time frame. To prepare our homestead for this, there is much to be done.
Our cold frames and low tunnels need to be covered with several extra layers of plastic to protect our plants and vegetation. The animals need fed and cared for. Our chickens hate the snow. They won't even step one claw out into it, so we need to create an extra snow-free space for them to roam around in and enjoy the next few days while the storm passes. The barn doors need cleared so that they don't freeze and we can easily open and close them as needed. Plus, we need to get the tractor in and out of the barn in order to shovel the drive. We will also need to gather enough logs for the wood-burning stove.
Sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming and stressful when a storm is approaching and you need to get your homestead prepared for it. I think that the demands and responsibilities and pressures of preparing your homestead and taking care of the animals and the property and potentially being trapped in your house for a couple days can cause a little bit of anxiety. But I think that we need to remember that God is in control and that He protects and provides for us, and that we do not need to be fearful or feel burdened. Here's a glimpse into life on the homestead during a blizzard.